The cup's important well, certainly important to me. It always has been. I'm sure it's important to every club. You know, obviously at the start, the longer you stay in the competition, the more important it becomes. For most of the Premier League clubs, this is just the start of it. And you know, at this moment in time, where a lot of Premier League games just been played, it's a difficult time.
I think the FA Cup brings a tradition of the game, is quite unique in the unpredictability, with that philosophy of anyone is entitled to chase a dream, and we're gonna give everything we got, and looking forward to enter into the competition.
The devaluing this competition is the scheduling of it, and they really need to look at that, because this will be our 5th game in 15 days, and the FA Cup falls right on the back of the Christmas programme, and I think that's wrong. And I think the league need to look at that, or the FA, or whoever's in charge of the scheduling, and move it, because I don't think it's right.
I had the luck to win 4 FA Cups. That means I put always the effort in, you know, and I'm very keen to do it again. And it's a long time now. Honestly, I still have in my mind the fact that he went out last year at home against Blackburn. That is was not good enough for us. And we have to make sure we put absolutely the effort in to have a good chance to go through.
It's a massive competition for this football club. It's got great tradition and history in this competition, and we really want to show it the respect. And listen, we would love to play a lower league team and be able to blood some younger players and give them that experience. But once that name comes out of the hat, Arsenal at the Emirates, it's impossible to do that.
The FA Cup has a special feeling, a special meaning. I was lucky to win lots of trophies, but to win the FA Cup at Wembley, to go there up and get the cup there and feel what it means, was one of my high moments in my career.
Of course, Premier League is vital, but now it's the FA Cup, and it's the old cliche: the next game's the most important one. It's a boring one, but it's an important one for the players, of course, because I can't wait to see them.